they're, depending on the vehicle, they're different. So a lot of vehicles now, they have a unit bearing where it's just the whole assembly with your wheel studs and everything. Those are very important, not just because it keeps your wheel on, but also because it orients the rotor to the brake pads. So like when wheel bearings start going bad, you're actually rapidly wearing out your brakes because the rotor's kicked over sideways inside the brake pads. And if it goes far enough, it'll actually damage the caliper, and then once again, you're a lot more money for repair than it should be. But the other thing is, a lot of wheel bearings have the tone wheel for your wheel speed sensors. So if the wheel bearing goes bad, you can actually get an ABS light because it can't actually monitor the wheel speed anymore because the bearing